the earth, feel the drum of the land. Every step guided by history's hand. They sang of you soft, they sang of you wild. A fire-bright woman, the warrior child. Not carved into temples, not born of the sky, but crowned by the strength in your fearless eyes. The wind knows your name when it calls through the glen. The hills still remember you now and then. So I walk the hills with Aoife, through the green and the gray, with the fire of the old world lighting up my way. Not a goddess above me, but a queen in the ground. Every step full of beauty, every heartbeat a sound. Stone walls whisper in moss and in rain, stories of courage, of joy and of pain. Your name means beauty, but not the soft kind. It's beauty that sharpens the edge of the mind. You stood where the oceans crashed into the shore, chose who you loved and demanded much more. No crown but your will, no throne but the land. The future was forged in the palm of your hand. The road rises up like a test of my soul, but strength comes alive when I let it unfold. So I walk the hills with the wafer, where the wild winds play, with the light of the old world breaking through the gray. Not a myth in the distance, not a dream that's gone. She's the voice in my breathing, telling me go on. Oh, hear the pipes in the distance cry. Oh, hear the ravens cut through the sky. Joy in the climb, pain in the climb, radiance born in the hardest time. Thousands of feet on the mountains sing. Oh, I let the valleys ring. From the past to the pulse in my chest, her name is the reason I never rest. I walk the hills with a wifey, through the storm and sun, with the beauty of courage. I am never done. Not divine, not distant, just fearless and free. She's the strength I inherit, she's the fire in me. When the path disappears into cloud and stone, I still feel steady, I still feel known. For every long road, every rise, every fall, Aoife walks with me, radiance and all.